Welcome to Winjet. Today I'll be explaining to you guys on the different type of taillights that we have here at Winjet. First one, Altezza style. Second one, LED with the flat connectors. Here's an Altezza style taillight, non-LEDs. LED type style taillight with the flat pin connectors. Another LED type style with the round plug style connectors. Alright, first I'll be explaining what the Altezza taillights. Now I do not have an actual car here to show you the installation, so bear with me here. With Altezza taillights from Winjet, we do not include the bulbs or the wiring harness. So usually what you have to do is remove the stickers, and let's just say, for example, this is your car's original wiring harness. So what you would do is leave the bulbs intact, just remove the old housing and just plug them in. And this part should have already been hooked up to your car originally, and there you go. Plug and play. Here's the LED style taillight with the flat pin connector. And like I said before, I do not have the actual wiring harness here with us or the car to show you, but I'll try my best to explain this to you. So in your car you will have a light bulb, a connector, and then some wiring coming up from here. What you need to do is remove the light bulb, get our housing, and just simply plug it in. Keep in mind that there is a negative and positive, so you want black to black and red to red. After you have this clear, just go ahead, tuck it in, and lock it in place. After you have locked it in place, you will notice that you have an extra wiring right here. That's what these are for. These are not sound boxes or fans. These are resistors for the LED. Simply just plug them in, and then you can either screw them on the back or just mount it double-sided tape anywhere on the housing or the car itself. Also, if you are having some problems with your LED taillights not lighting up correctly, go ahead and get a paper clip or a knife and loosen up the pins to ensure a better contact. Here's another LED taillights with the round plugs connectors. Now, in your original wiring harness, it should look like something like this. What you need to do is just go ahead and remove the bulbs. And plug them in. Once you have them connected in, go ahead and tuck in the wires and lock them in place. There you go. And also, you also have a resistors for the LEDs. You can go ahead and mount this anywhere on the back of the housing or anywhere on the back of the car. Thank you.